In the vast orchards of Punjab, under the golden morning sun, the journey of premium dried mango begins as skilled workers carefully select only the ripest and sweetest mangoes at their perfect stage of maturity. Each mango is handpicked with great care using traditional tools so that the delicate fruit remains undamaged, preserving its natural sweetness and quality for the drying process ahead. The loaded baskets are securely placed on the tractor trailer, ensuring the precious harvest reaches the factory without any bruising or loss of quality. The freshly harvested mangoes now travel from the peaceful orchard toward the state-of-the-art drying facility where they will be transformed into delicious, dried mango slices.
Slow down now, gates ahead!
As the tractor approaches the factory gates, the raw material is now ready to enter the first controlled stages of industrial processing. At the factory entrance, the fresh mangoes are unloaded and placed on the conveyor system that will carry them into the cleaning and sorting stages of production. Freshly arrived mangoes are now placed on the conveyor system that will transport them deep inside the modern facility for initial processing. Inside the facility, the mangoes travel efficiently on the belt toward the cleaning zone while workers monitor every step to maintain quality. Before any further processing, the mangoes must be thoroughly cleaned, so they are carefully spread out for the first wash cycle. Trained workers carefully inspect each mango, removing any imperfect ones so only the best quality fruit proceeds to the next stage. After sorting, the selected mangoes are collected in large bins that will be transported to the core processing and slicing section of the factory. High-pressure water removes dust, dirt, and field residue, preparing the mangoes for careful inspection and sorting. The cleaned mangoes now cross from the receiving area into the main processing hall, where the real transformation into dried mango begins. Inside this modern facility, every section is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and high-quality output from fresh mango to final dried product. The selected mangoes are carefully fed into the automated slicing line that will cut them into uniform pieces for even drying. Even after washing and sorting, a final manual check ensures only the best mangoes proceed further into the production process. The outer skin is carefully removed to prepare smooth, attractive mango slices that will dry perfectly in the coming stages. With peeling complete, the mangoes are now ready for the core processing and slicing stage, where they will be turned into uniform pieces for drying. High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the mangoes, removing all field dust, latex residue, and surface impurities while preserving their natural golden color. After washing, excess water is removed with powerful air blowers, so the mangoes are perfectly prepared for careful manual sorting. Experienced workers perform detailed manual sorting, ensuring only the best quality golden yellow mangoes move ahead for slicing and drying. Under strong inspection lighting, each mango is graded for size, color, and ripeness to maintain consistent high quality in the final dried product. The uniformly selected bright mangoes are now accumulated and ready to enter the precision slicing stage of production. Now perfectly cleaned and sorted, the golden mangoes enter the core slicing stage, where they are cut into uniform pieces for the drying process. The golden mangoes are now precisely sliced into uniform pieces, the critical first step in the core processing that ensures even drying and perfect texture. The slices receive a controlled blanching treatment to preserve color, prevent browning, and extend shelf life while keeping their vibrant golden yellow appearance. After treatment, the slices are rapidly cooled and surface dried to prepare them perfectly for the long drying process ahead. Every slice is inspected one final time by hand to guarantee only the highest quality golden pieces proceed to the drying chambers. The selected slices are carefully arranged on drying trays that will carry them into the controlled hot air drying chambers. Inside the industrial dryers, temperature and airflow are precisely controlled to slowly remove moisture from the mango slices over several hours. This core drying stage transforms the fresh, juicy slices into chewy, sweet dried mango while locking in their rich golden color and natural flavor. Inside the controlled dryer, moisture is gradually removed from the golden slices over several hours, transforming them into chewy, dried mango while preserving their vibrant color and sweetness. Inside the controlled dryer, moisture is gradually removed from the golden slices over several hours, transforming them into chewy dried mango while preserving their vibrant color and sweetness. The dried mango slices are cooled down to room temperature to stabilize texture and prepare them for final quality enhancement. Experienced workers perform a final texture and quality check to ensure every piece has the perfect chewy consistency loved in dried mango. After full transformation, the rich golden dried mango is now sorted one last time before it moves to precision cutting and packaging. The core transformation is now complete. Fresh mango has become premium quality dried mango ready for final packaging and dispatch. The finished golden dried mango now enters the high-tech automation zone where modern systems take over for precision and speed in packaging. Automated systems carefully empty the bins and feed the dried mango slices onto high-speed lines without damaging the delicate product. Advanced AI vision systems scan every single piece, automatically removing any defects to guarantee consistent premium quality. High-tech weighing systems ensure every package contains the exact weight of dried mango, maintaining consistency and reducing waste. Fully automated bagging machines fill, seal, and gas flush the packages to keep the dried mango fresh and crispy for longer shelf life. Every package goes through strict automated metal detection and weight verification to ensure complete safety and quality standards. Advanced robotic systems now pack the individual bags into cartons, preparing the finished dried mango for storage and worldwide distribution. The packaged dried mango now enters the precision finishing lines where final touches like labeling, date coding, and quality sealing are applied. Every batch of dried mango undergoes strict quality control and laboratory testing before it is approved for final storage and dispatch. Trained technicians collect random samples from each batch to perform multiple scientific tests for quality and safety. Advanced instruments measure moisture content and texture to ensure the dried mango has the perfect chewy consistency and long shelf life. In the microbiology and chemistry lab, samples are tested for safety, ensuring the product is free from harmful bacteria and contaminants. Color and aroma are excellent.
Agree, the sweetness is natural.
Chewiness is bauischen Praktikswerk, match this and premium take customers expect from this dried mango. Once all laboratory tests are passed, the entire batch receives official approval for release to the packaging and dispatch warehouse. With full quality clearance, the premium dried mango is now ready for proper storage and final dispatch to markets worldwide. Automated labeling machines apply high-quality labels with product details, batch numbers, and branding to every carton with perfect alignment. Shrink wrapping provides an extra layer of protection and keeps the cartons secure during storage and transportation. Looks premium, check the seal. Confirm, all good. Send it to palletizing. Final stretch wrapping secures the entire pallet, protecting the premium dried mango during storage and long-distance transport. The quality-approved dried mango is now moved into the main warehouse for organized storage before final dispatch. Pallets are systematically stored in the climate-controlled warehouse to maintain freshness until orders are ready for shipping.
Order 456 golden dried mango, rack B12. Copy that, on my way. Careful with the load, it's fragile. Secured, moving to dispatch.
From farm to factory and now to the world, premium dried mango is dispatched with care and quality assurance.
And this is how modern factories produce high-quality dried mango from start to finish.